This is inquiry 7.1, and we're starting by putting 10 drops of cold dyed water into a beaker that has 150 milliliters of water in it. Go quickly. Oh, that was 10 drops.
Oh.
I'm sure it was 10 drops. Okay, what do you see happening? What did you see? What happened to it?
It's like all going to the bottom.
It's all falling to the bottom. Okay, now you can take your straw. Okay, the second part of this, close that up. Okay. The second part of this is to blow across the top and watch what happens to the water. Really blow. Okay, so what's happening now?
It's all going to the bottom.
Okay, it's sitting at the bottom, but do you see that? Is it all staying at the bottom? Is it all staying at the bottom?
No.
Well, some of it's in like the middle.
Oh, it's starting to come up to the top now. So because he's blowing across, the warm water is actually going across and allowing the colder water to come up to replace it because he's full of hot air, right?
Yes.
Now we're putting hot water in to see what happens. Okay, what are you seeing going on here? What do you notice?
The hot water is staying on the surface, and it seems it's just going to stay on the surface and just drop a little.
Okay. Staying on the surface.
Just the hot water is not dropping.
It's not dropping. Okay, you can blow on it, and let's see what happens when you blow. Now what do you see happening?
I see the hot water actually started to fall a little, and it started to spin around and fall.
Okay, and it's really mixing in pretty quickly with the other water, isn't
Yes,
it?
it is.
Yes, it's just mixing.
So now we're taking a look at what happens when the wind blows across the top of water. You can blow a little harder. Harder yet. Keep going. You got to keep the wind going. So what do you see happening? You got to blow kind of hard for this, guys. What do you see happening?
It looks like clouds, kind of, and it's mixing up.
Okay, but what direction is it going in?
It's going. It's like blowing.
Do that again, Drake.
It's like this.
Yes. Oh, do it again. One more time. It's like that. Yes. So it's going out away from the wind and making a circular pattern away from the wind. So this is to show what happens with wind on the surface of water, when wind is blowing on the surface of water.